Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make YouTube banner in Canva. First, open Canva by going to canva.com and signing into your account. And if you do not have an account, you can create one for free in just few seconds. Now in the search bar at the top, type YouTube banner and then press enter. Canva will show you a variety of ready-made templates specifically designed for YouTube banners. Since we are using a free template, make sure to look for the ones without a crown icon as those are completely free to use. Now scroll through the templates and pick the one that matches your style. And if you want a gaming banner, choose something bold and colorful. And if it's for a vlog or beauty channel, then go for a clean and aesthetic design. And once you've found a template you like, just click on it and it will open in Canva editor. And now it's time to customize your template to match your brand. So let's start with the text. Now click on the default text in the template and type your channel name. And if you want to change the font, then click on font drop down at the top and choose a style that fits your theme. You can also adjust the size by dragging the corner of the text box or using the size option at the top. Now to change the text color, click on the text and then choose the color icon and then pick a color that matches your brand. Now let's move to the next step. Now in order to change the background color, you can click anywhere on the background and then select the color button at the top and choose your preferred shade. But if the template has an image in the background, you can replace it. Go to Elements and in the search bar type background image and then scroll through the available one and choose the one you like. Click on it and with that, this background image will be added on your canvas. Now once the image is added, right click on it, go to Layers and choose Send Backward. Now once it is done, go to Elements tab and search for icons, stickers or graphics that match your theme. If you want to upload your own image, then go to Uploads and select the image from your computer. Once it is uploaded, drag the image to your canvas and fit it in the design. And once you're happy with your design, it's time to download it. So click on Share in the top right corner and then choose Download. Choose PNG for best quality and then click on Download button again and your banner will be saved to your computer. And that's it.